Issues of Lego Group. Introduction. Lego Group has an efficient and flexible organizational structure, which helps to develop personal initiative and cooperation between individual structural units. Employees are actively involved in creating a good environment in the company. Lego Group management changes according to the demands of the time and the needs of the organization. All of this is in line with a strategy aimed at sustainable growth, quality improvement, development, and innovation. Despite its numerous advantages, the company has several issues, for example, the lack of a ubiquitous approach to quality management, which allows considering not only the minimization of damage and streamlining of production processes but also motivation and process approach. Main body. Lego Group strives for a management style that fosters positive organizational morale and good relationships between employees. The company delegates authority for quality management and distribution of responsibilities and also complies with production technologies and regulations. The company has a meticulous approach to training resource-transforming personnel to reduce the potential damage from their activities. However, there is no forward movement within the company to improve the quality management process. Lego Group is minimally involved in the analysis of consumer response and does not use complex, patented quality management technology that is maximally adapted to the given conditions. The company's management ignores quantitative methods for determining quality as well. It requires further development of systems that could be more effective and, for example, eliminate industrial injuries or bring them as close to zero as possible. The management problems of Lego Group are directly related to the principles of organizing its business activities. The company focuses on the management of specific risks, which are integral parts of its activities, the lack of a timely response to which could ruin its further development. Such risks include the rejection of the ideological and value aspects of the products brought to the market, the initial network principle of the sales organization, and the focus on the search for innovative solutions. Lego Group adheres to the strategy of reducing the degree of risk if it is impossible to get rid of it completely. It is suppressed by the tools of diversification, localization, planning, and competent monitoring of the market reaction to certain actions. Specific risks are extinguished, first of all, by ensuring assets, accumulating financial reserves, and strengthening competitive advantages as a circumstance that is linked to the implementation of a risk-taking strategy. Based on the company's existing quality management features, the following solutions can be offered. In the field of quality management, it is necessary to introduce the 5C model or its analogs to stimulate the manifestation of initiative, independence, and self-realization, which will significantly limit excessive administrative influence. The use of rating scales and methodology for calculating differentiated, complex, and single quantitative indicators will also improve the quality of management. The implementation of the principles of the total quality management concept or its analogs will make it possible to present the quality management process through a system of secondary indicators. Lego Group must develop a technology for the gradual improvement of quality, despite the sufficient organization of processes. The company should strengthen market positions and build up the elements of the competitiveness of the products, including the value proposition. An active formation of reserve funds is necessary to cover potential losses and unforeseen expenses. The company should control over the observance of strategic provisions, mission, vision, and compliance with multidirectional goals. Lego Group should also reorganize the company's structure towards a more flexible response to occurring changes in the external environment and monitor the maintenance of performance and efficiency levels. To avoid quality management problems, the company must focus on developing organizational capabilities, especially the capabilities of employees, to involve them in the decision-making process regarding organizational issues. Lego Group should aim at creating a working system in which employees become emotionally attached to the company's development objectives. By focusing on the efficiency and productivity with which people work at every level, the organization will improve its position. A reliance on values and behavior is the hallmark of strategic change. Top management should proclaim a set of values or principles that constitute the corporate culture and govern the behavior of employees. Since the motivation and involvement of employees are elements of the human resource management system, they can be distinguished as the main indicators of the company's quality. Conclusion. LEGO Group's strengths include a strategy to improve product quality, working conditions, and occupational safety, as well as a company's systems and structure that enable them to successfully achieve their goals. To eliminate company management issues, employees need to be more involved in identifying problems and solving them. Engagement is essential for building partnerships, trust, and commitment, which are vital to creating long-term improvement. A healthy learning organization is the best way to achieve long-term company interests. Thus, understanding the motivation and involvement of personnel can contribute to the formation of a support system for making managerial decisions at the level of human resource management of an organization.